Close up of that so we can see what kind of we use. So dog's ear canal goes vertically and then horizontally. So it's very difficult to do any harm to the tympanic membrane with your finger. Take your cotton. If you go down, you're going to get stuck right there at the tip of the corner there. And so don't be shy about using a cotton ball and going as far as you can. And so you're basically going to apply the solution and then stick the cotton ball and do a couple of turns, dry the ear canal out, and you're done. And I'll demo it on a live dog. So we take the rinse, and if you have an infection, you can use an antiseptic rinse. And we also have wipes that you can use. We have a variety of solutions and wipes that you can implement in your routine ear cleaning. So open the pinna, you can apply as much as you want, all the way to the top. There's no limit. And massage, that's the ear canal or the vertical ear canal there. Get everything nice and loose. Use a cotton ball, stick it as deep as it goes, do a little turn, clean it out, take another one and dry it out. You see I'm going deep down with my finger, cleaning it out. Again, I'm going with my finger no deeper than the vertical canal. I'm getting stuck right there. That's a tympanic membrane, so you're not getting any close to rupturing the dog's ear. You can also use a wipe. And go in and clean it that way. You can clean the little crevices here. And you're done. That should be done at least once a week.